Hey, Matt here. Welcome to Mob Street. Today, I am not in Utah anymore, and I am out on an XT250 owned by none other than Brad at Bradley Performance. We are out at the Greasy Bend Off-Road Park in Batesville, Arkansas, and he said, hey, go give this bike a ride. So, for the last half hour, that is what I have been doing, and you guys were right here along the edge of the river. There's woods riding, there's wide opens, there's rocks, bluffs, all sorts of stuff that you can go and ride on out here. And just wanted to give you my review of the Bradley Performance XT250. So if you have one and you're wondering what you can do parts wise, this video is for you. And I want to show you the parts that Brad has made for the XT250. So really not a whole lot performance wise just yet, but he does have the oil cooler on here, and he has the exhaust on there as well. These are his pannier racks that you can get for luggage and whatnot. He does have the Tusk Pro Flex, or the D-Flex Pro handguards on here, but he has the Bradley Performance bars on there, and he has the low front fender kit on there, and the springs in the front on here, I think the stocks are like a 0.37. Well, he's got like a 0.71 heavy duty spring in the front here, and then he also has his spring back here for the rear. So the stock is like a 350 pound. This one takes it up, or like 337 or something like that. This one takes it up to the 450 range. And you guys, this thing is dialed. It is so much fun. It has the Kenda gnarly tires on it, and out here with this stuff that we've been riding, cutting through the woods, cutting through the sand, through the rocks, extremely predictable riding. You point it and it just goes where you want it to go. Great setup. Like I said, the last half hour, been taking it through the woods, having a good time out here. And if you are looking for parts for your XT250, definitely check out the Bradley Performance. And if you're in the Arkansas area, definitely hit up Greasy Bend Off-Road Park. I think it's like 6,000 acres of just off-road riding, and there is all sorts of stuff out here that you can do. One thing that I really like about the XT over the TW, because you know I do a lot of stuff with the TW, the suspension on here is extremely plush. So obviously I'm a heavier guy, and the exhaust that is not the exhaust, the suspension, sorry about that, the suspension on this is just set up to be a lot more friendlier, like a lot friendlier to a bigger guy like myself. Little mud. Few rocks. Oh man. Yeah. The springs Brad has on that are perfect. And I mean, there's no real diving with it. There's no slamming the front, you know, the front end on it. It actually holds up really well for all sorts of riding. And I can't imagine what this would be like out there in Utah where I'm at, but out here in the woods and riding along the riverbank and just going through all those wide opens, it's super, like, I wouldn't say soft, but it's not harsh. It's really comfortable. I do like the power of it. It just feels like it's dialed. The throttle response on this is awesome. Yeah! So it does have the fuel injection, which everybody likes more than the carburation with the TW. Everybody's saying, hey, with the TW, put injection or put fuel injection on it. This one is really, I mean, it's not glitchy, it's not finicky, it works, and it works really well. So one thing I forgot too, he's got these pieces right here to cover the side cases of the engine, and I mean, just all sorts of stuff that you can get for the XT250. And if you again have one and are looking for ways to make it better, definitely check out the Bradley Performance website. Always coming out with new parts, always, you know, just real good quality built stuff. So if there's something that you're looking for, definitely check it out. If there's questions or comments, please put those in the links down below, or put those in the comment section down below, and I will put the link to Bradley Performance for the XT250. You guys, this is a great bike. We're out here for the weekend riding, and it's going to be a good time. So Matt with Mob Street with the Bradley Performance 2019 XT250, and it is an absolute blast. We'll see you in the next one.